This is what the unit looked like before we clean it, right? See how this unit does? This is before. I'm gonna show you after. Give me a minute. I'm gonna show you after. We're gonna clean it. Look what's gonna happen when they put the cleaning on it. The new bright tire cleaning. See, everything is moving. Best car cleaning in the business.
What we do?
Definitely.
Destroy water.
Yeah. Short line. Look at that. Magic in front of your eye. You witness a transformation in front of your eye. You thought it was a new unit, right? No, it's not. Same unit that was here. Just the power of maintenance, you know? It's the power of maintenance right here. You see when you maintain a unit, look how that unit just to come back to new. New, right in front of your eyes. Alright guys, see how beautiful this is. You wouldn't believe this is an old condenser. We washed the coil. You see the coil is clean. Everything is clean back here. Alright guys, so give us a call. Okay guys, we just installed. See that? Brand new liquid line jar, brand new system. Look at it right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna change out this one next. This next one we're gonna change out. But for now, look at it. There's a brand new heat pump right here, guys. So TNT cooling and heating, man. I'm replacing all these old R22 system that's been discontinued. The R410 system that's been discontinued by EPA because of the ozone depletion. It's causing skin cancer because when it goes in the stratosphere, it takes away from one of the atom and it leaves a hole in the ozone layer. So EPA banned the R22 systems, which is the old system right there. And now we are using these new systems. So we are changing out all these systems. So this one is going next. We're gonna change this one next. So go and look at your nameplate on your system, right? That's the nameplate. If you see it says R22, it's time for you to change it out. If it says R410, it's time for you to change it out. Give me a call. My number is on the video, 718-916-6625, right? We're doing a great job right now in Brooklyn, Queens, and Long Island. We service residential and commercial. This is a commercial space right here, right? New construction, so give us a call. And we also service those mini split ductless system if you have those.